Yeah, hey, what's up, everybody? Man, take a look. Finally got the time to show you guys the carded castings. Yeah, I don't know if you guys are ready, but shoot, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start from the right. Take a look at this right here, man. Card is a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But you guys know I don't really mind. Damn, Grand National right here out of this set. Yeah, Pro Stock, the Buick Rivera, Pontiac Firebird, and blah blah blah, man. But take a look, man. This is the Grand National. Very nice, great casting. I really like the colors, man. Take a look. Hot Wheels and underneath it, racing with the number 6. Like that light blue tint with the white interior, man. This is nice. No tampons on the back, nothing on the front. But take a look at that grill, or underneath the grill, I should say. A chrome piece looks nice right there. Very, very nice. Está bien chingón este Gran Nacional. Y los colores están muy padres también. El interior es blanco. Muy buena pieza. I'll put it to the side over here. And take a look. Another one, man. Grand National, different color. Very nice. Chrome interior. And I think this one, the hood pops open. Just like the one for the recent Fast and Furious set. Fíjense, este también está un poco sucio todavía, pero el interior es cromado. Los rines cromados y el cofre es el que se destapa. Buena pieza, but the card, take a look. But like I said, man, I don't really mind it. It's mine, not for sale, so no es mucho. Y veamos qué más. Un Camaro en Samac. Un Camaro 67 Camaro Samac con flamas, color verde y amarillo. Muy buena pieza. No son muy de mi agrado, pero igual es una gran adquisición. Samac chrome with the green, yellow, you know what I'm saying? And take a look at the blue interior, like a shiny blue interior. Very nice piece, very great addition. And take a look, man. Pontiac GTO white with the red flames, red, very nice. And I know Mike is gonna love this one, so I'm sorry for the wait, Mike, but hey, man, I'm adding. So as time passes by, I know I haven't sent that package for you, but this is going your way, man. Car, it's decent, soft corners, but hey, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if you got it, but still, man, getting a double and opening, it's always good. Oh, and take a look at this one, man. Yeah, custom V8. And I was just mentioning Mike, man. I had told him I was gonna send him I actually, it was these two right here, but loose castings that I bought at a Goodwill. Yeah, and so that's crazy. I found them carded, even though they're not all there, but it's still very great pieces. Take a look at that grill, the lenses. Yeah, chrome base. Este es un Vega. Muy buena pieza. B8. Y en color amarillo igual. No cambia mucho, solo el color y el diseño. Una línea negra. Very nice, similar yellow, about the same front tampos in the back, I mean the sides. Great addition, custom V8. And let's see what else. Yeah, man, put this back right here real quick. Take a look, guys. This is a Chevy Silverado 83. Very, very, very nice. Plastic base. But take a look at that graphics, man. Looks very nice, very neat. Yeah, it's got like a tint on the windows. Very cool. Very, very cool. Also take a look at the whole set. H2 Hummer, Humvee, blah blah blah. And you hit the Silverado and the Ford Bronco, man. But the best out of the set for sure. And also take a look at Chevy Silverado, or like you guys would like me to say, Chevy Silverado. Yeah, not all the tempos, not all the way. You can see the back. It's just about halfway from the side. But black grill looks really nice. Very, very nice. Esta es una Chevy Silverado, más reciente del modelo, el año. Los tampos no están... Bueno, las luces de atrás no tienen los tampos todo por detrás, solo por los lados, pero igual. Muy buena troca. Y esta también, Datsun 620, en color blanco. La base es cromada y el interior negro. Tiene las líneas de Grady. Muy buena pieza. White with the black interior. Very nice, man. This one is also very, very nice. From the Hot Wheels trucks. And take a look at this Matchbox, man. 47 Chevy 3100. Very nice, man. This one is sweet. I like how Matchbox wheels look. So detailed. Better than the Hot Wheels for sure. They look just much realistic. But take a look at that tan interior. Matchbox auto repair. We only use parts, genuine Chevrolet parts. Very nice. Viene de la serie Trucks 100 años Chevy 3100. And take a look, a custom 77 Dodge van, man. Very, very, very nice piece. Mopar. Yeah, Mike, it's going your way too, man. Number 2 out of 8. And I think the best one was this Dodge Power Wagon for sure, in my opinion. But yeah, let's put this again. Let's put it back. Take a look, man. BW over here. I'm telling you guys, man, this channel, we love Buck, man. The love Buck. Very nice. This is the Harvey from that one movie. Yeah, take a look at those lenses. Or actually, they're not even lenses. They're actually from the base. It looks like from the base, like metal headlights. Yeah, 53. I mean, this thing's got pretty much tampos all around. The back, the side, and the front. Very, very nice. White wheels. Este es el bochito de la película Herbie. Y esto es lo que me gusta, man. Tiene los tampos de atrás, por los lados y por enfrente. Muy buena pieza. Yeah, and take a look at this one, man. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Yeah. Damn, this thing is just... Never seen this piece at all. This from the Beatles, Yellow Submarine. This was... Take a look, man. Bumper round. Cockney cab. Fished and chipped. You know what I'm saying, man? Maybe that Morris Mini, man. But the best out of the set. Cool combi, man. Yeah, tampos on the front. Take a look at the sides. And well, you got the engine. Very nice, man. This is a great piece. Man, oh man, this needs some real riders, bro. You know what I'm saying? Y no nada más uno, sino dos. Chécate. Cool combi. Muy buena pieza. Tampos por enfrente. El tint es azul clarito. Muy buena pieza. Muy detallado. Este es de la serie de The Beatles. Los Beatles. Yeah. La mejor de la serie. Dos. And one of these Lamborghini Countach. Yeah, man, very nice. Take a look at this red. Yeah, man. Great casting. Lamborghini Countach. Muy buena pieza. I think the interior is white. Quién sabe. Chequete este DeLorean también. Es negro. Tiene los tampos por detrás. Tiene de los lados y por enfrente. Muy buena pieza también. Very nice. Very nice, man. Yes. Very nice for sure. And let's put these ones back. Let's see what else. Oh man, I'm gonna start from the bottom, bro. Take a look at the Simpsons family car, man. This thing, I believe we have one, but then I wasn't sure, so I'm not gonna leave it behind if I'm not sure. I don't want to pass this one out. You know what I'm saying? El carro de los Simpsons. Homero. Interiores café. Tiene tampos por enfrente, por atrás. Man, this thing is super clean, bro. Clean. Very nice. Yeah, the Simpsons family car. I don't know when this one was released. Might have been 16, 17, 15. I don't know, man. And take a look at these BMW Z4M Motor Sport. Tampos on the side and the top. Very sporty looking. The 3 out of 5 of the BMW series. Very nice, man. Este igual está muy padre. Mira por detrás. No tiene tampos, pero los tiene por los lados. Por la parte de arriba. Y chequense por enfrente. Muy buena pieza. Con el interior gris. Muy deportivo. Muy bien. Y este yo creo que ya lo han visto muchas veces. Es el 180 SX tipo X. Muy buena pieza. Y estos que son creo que este es múltiple. Este lo voy a tener que regalar. Muy buena pieza. Y mi favorito, man, este es el mejor de todos. La Acura Integra. Este lo he estado buscando ya por mucho tiempo. Del 2006, de la serie Nightburners. Bien está. Con el interior rojo. Tiene tampos por enfrente y por detrás. Muy bien. Muy buena pieza. En verdad que sí. Este es 2001 Acura Integra GSR. Man, I'm telling you guys, I've been on the hunt for this thing for the longest time. This is the 01 Acura Integra GS red interior. And that paint job, I don't know if you can tell, but man, it's white pearl. Very nice, man. I've been on the hunt, on the lookout for this one, but finally got it. So happy, man. I'm so happy. So happy to have these, man. Yeah, so now I just want to get another one, get it loose. And if I find a third one, my bro David, man, he said he wants one of these so bad as well. Yeah. Man, this thing is just great. We had the first, well, he had the first generation, I had the second. And this will be the third generation, but with the JDM front end, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyways, that's it. That's all I got from this haul. Very nice. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Of course, I enjoy sharing my finds. I mean, I posted a Facebook picture on Facebook a while back now. This is from I think last weekend. Yeah, I think this is from last weekend, man. So yeah, I posted we're about JDM, VW, and trucks for sure, man. And I might even say exotics, cause we do have some exotics over here. But yeah, very nice, huh? Heck yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, man. We got more hauls. I got more hauls for sure. Always hunting, but nowadays it's just way too hot. Way too hot. So yeah, the videos are not as often, but if anything, I did go hunting today in early morning. Right now it's about past noon. But anyways, yeah, man, just stay tuned and stay hunting, stay hydrated, guys. Man, over here is very hot. But anyway, see you guys in the yeah.